Hey friends, welcome to Heartland Family Adventures. Today we're sharing a dining review of the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen located at Universal Orlando CityWalk. Toothsome has both a full-service restaurant, bar, and a confectionery, and they're open for brunch, lunch, and dinner. This restaurant is a chocolate lover's dream because they specialize in cooking with gourmet chocolates in both sweet and savory dishes, as well as delicious milkshakes and ice cream sundaes. This is a popular restaurant at CityWalk, so we highly recommend making advanced dining reservations. If you're new to our channel, thanks for joining us today. If you like what you see, we welcome you to come and visit our channel for more videos like this from our family travels to the Orlando area. This restaurant has a nice variety of items to choose from on their menu, including appetizers, soups, salads, flatbreads, sandwiches, burgers, pastas, and entrees. Appetizers include the popular warm chocolate almond bread, as well as crab and artichoke dip, truffle fries, Philly cheesesteak rolls, avocado bruschetta, pork belly sliders, baked brie, tacos, hummus, nachos, Brussels sprouts, fried zucchini wings, and potato croquettes. Soups and salads include a Waldorf chicken salad, tuna salad, barbecue chicken salad, Caesar salad, superfood salad, and the French onion soup. They also have flatbreads including varieties such as barbecue chicken, Ford cheese, margarita, pepperoni, short rib, or forest mushroom. They also have assortment of sandwiches including the popular red Reuben and the croque monsieur, the southern fried chicken BLT, fork and knife ribeye steak sandwich, veggie press sandwich, chicken cordon bleu, tuna melt, or the chicken caprese sandwich. Burgers include teriyaki, cheddar bacon, the Tour de France, maple bacon, pub it up, or the may contain bacon burger. Pasta options include risotto, veggie pasta, shrimp mac and cheese, gnocchi, and fettuccine alfredo. Entrees include the chicken bursi, the salmon, braised short rib, meatloaf, pork tenderloin, chicken bourguignon, the filet mignon, New York strip steak, and flounder. If you're planning to visit early in the day, they also serve a delicious brunch where they have waffles, French toast, quiche, and crepes. The kids menu includes chicken fingers, a miniature burger, pasta, chicken with rice, or a miniature waffle. They have so many different kinds of milkshakes to choose from to meet your sweet tooth cravings. These milkshakes are very indulgent with lots of toppings, ranging from birthday cake, brownies, cookies, pie, or chunks of delicious chocolate. They also have a variety of sundaes and specialty desserts, including bread pudding, chocolate cake, pie, creme brulee, and chocolate mousse. Finally, if you're looking for a specialty cocktail, they also have some really innovative drinks here, often including, you guessed it, chocolate as one of their ingredients. They also offer flights and glasses of bourbon, rye, scotch, and other signature alcohols and liqueurs, as well as cordials and beer.
Hey everyone, today we are at the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium here at CityWalk at Universal Orlando. And so it's his first time trying this restaurant, but it comes really highly recommended. A lot of our friends and we've heard good things about this restaurant, so we're really excited to try it out. Of course, as the name suggests, a lot of things on the menu have chocolate, and I am a big chocolate fan. Started off with a chocolate drink today already, and some of our dishes have some chocolate in them. So we'll share with you kind of a full menu of what the things you can get. They have a really large menu, appetizers, entrees, a nice selection of desserts, and they have a nice sweet shop outside in their little gift shop where they have a lot of delicious chocolates and little sweets. So we'll give you a full overview of everything you can do here. We hope you enjoy coming along with us.
Got our drinks. I got the old chocolate fashioned. So it's a bird dog chocolate whiskey, cherry liqueur, sugar, and bitters.
Good.
Try it. Oh.
strong?
Interesting. No, not whiskey-wise to me, but very chocolatey.
Very chocolate.
Very chocolate.
Well, we are at the
I don't
chocolate.
get it. Yeah, I don't get as much. I mean, the cherry's there, but the chocolate's what. But that, I mean, whiskey is the main flavor in these, and it's a chocolate whiskey. That really comes through. It's good. It's good. I think I prefer just a regular old fashioned, but it's different. Something to try.
Yeah. And then I got, this is the vanilla chocolate cocktail, Madagascar vanilla vodka, Trader Vic's dark chocolate, Ferretti chocolate, and chocolate bitters. And we got, looks like little shavings of white chocolate maybe on top. We'll see how this tastes.
Okay.
And a fancy chocolate cocktail. Ooh, that's really good. It's yeah, I mean you definitely get the vodka, but it's smooth. It's really smooth, and you definitely get the chocolate. You get the chocolate and vanilla. Really nice. It's almost like a, yeah, you know, like those chocolates that are filled with liqueur, like those liqueur chocolates. That's what it reminds me of. It's really good. It's a tad on the sweet side, but not overly sweet. Definitely taste the vodka, but not in your face. It's not like, it's good. I like that. It's really pretty too.
Excited to get an appetizer. What we get?
Yeah, so this just sounded really good. This is the warm chocolate almond bread, and it comes out warm. So it's just a fresh chocolate almond bread served with a salted caramel butter. So it just sounded delicious, and had to try it out. It's on the appetizer menu. That's amazing. Ooh. The bread is really, it's not like super chocolatey, but it's kind of nice and rich. Got almost like a bitter chocolate flavor to it. But that butter, oh, it gives it that nice saltiness and a little hint of caramel. That's delicious. I like this a lot. This is really good.
It's great too, and we ordered it, and she got brought out like a minute later, so they've obviously got these kind of ready. They're popular.
I think the kids are gonna like this. It's bread, but it tastes like chocolate, doesn't it?
It's like dessert bread, bud.
I like that it's not necessarily like overly sweet in your face though.
Yeah.
It's not like super sweet like chocolate bread. It's like nice, subtle, like bittersweet, like a little bit. It's really good.
What do you think, Emma?
It's delicious. You can definitely taste the chocolate, but it's not chocolate.
Right. It's not like sweet chocolate in your face. Nice, subtle chocolate. That's really good. And it's warm. Just melts right through that salted butter. So good. Right, our entrees have arrived. This is called the Fork and Knife Grilled Ribeye Steak Sandwich. So take a look at this. It's got sauteed onions, oh my goodness, mushrooms, roasted tomatoes, arugula, herb shallot aioli, horseradish cheese, and toasted onion brioche. Ooh, and comes with a side of fries. Or you could get house-made chips. That looks really good.
I got the braised short rib. Comes with aged cheddar grits, roasted carrots, natural juice, and cocoa gremolata? Cocoa gremolata. So
gremolata. So it's like I got a cocoa.
Yeah. They put the chocolate spin on there. Looks delicious though.
It's a messy sandwich. Ooh. So this is a ribeye on here with lots of yumminess. So let's try this out and see how it tastes. I think it must be this aioli that I'm tasting. Really good flavor. This is a fresh onion brioche bread. So soft and delicious and flavorful. But that ribeye has been like really pounded very thin. You can see it's very thin. But it's got some good flavor on it. That sauce on there, it's got the like the pepperiness of the arugula and that really soft meat, that beef on the ribeye, and this amazing bread. Woo, that's a good sandwich. Highly recommend. And these fries are really nice and crisp. They're almost like not quite double fried, but they're really crisp on the outside, which I really enjoy. They're not quite like not a shoestring fry. They're a regular fry, but they've got a good crispness on them. I really enjoy. It's very good.
Okay, Emma, how's that burger? It comes with these 2 little mini burgers and fries.
Juicy. I can tell from over here it's a pretty juicy burger. So
Okay.
these are
She likes it.
these are little mini sliders. I like that they give you 2 little sliders for the kids. That's perfect size for her.
Yeah.
And a lot of fries. So, but the burgers are really thick. And as she took a bite, I could see the juice just coming out. It's a really good little slider.
Yep.
Meat inside of it is steak. Pretty good.
Yeah, it's like a steak
And this
burger.
looks like a little Hawaiian bun.
Yeah.
It is a Hawaiian.
Nice sweet bun. Yep, she's happy.
All right, Dave is digging into his short rib. That is on a wonderful bed of grits right there.
It's a lot of grits.
A lot of grits.
Some of that.
Oh wow. Chocolatey yummy grits. With that short rib. So this has the cocoa gremolata, right? Yeah, so it's gonna be really in that sauce around the grits and probably the seasoning on the short rib.
Yeah. It's not like, it's real mild chocolate kind of.
Henry is not impressed.
It's not Henry's kind of food. It's my kind of food.
How's that short rib?
That looks gross.
Oh, but Daddy loves it.
The short rib is perfect. Just super tender. Yeah, I don't really get the cocoa, which is okay. But the cheddar grits,
Cheddar grits.
those are good. Those are really good.
To get some of that sauce. Yeah, get into some of that sauce. That's gonna give you some of that flavor. Yep, right there. Oh, we have some chocolate Emporium guests like coming around talking to guests. I love it. We saw her near the entrance too. How do you like it?
It's really, really good. Yeah, I don't know. I still don't get much cocoa. I think it is just like the rub
Yeah.
on the short rib, but the short rib is perfect. The grits are really nice. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. Really neat decor in here. Kind of reminded us of the Edison at Disney Springs, kind of a similar feel, but chocolate themed. See, here's like the chocolate factory. I guess they're throwing chocolates over there. Really cool. Emma is chowing down over here.
I really like the atmosphere in here. Kind of has that like industrial era kind of steampunk vibe, but with modern day touches. So we got like robots over here, like moving the chocolate around. It's a chocolate factory. And then we've got like I just love the old meets new. It's a really, really cool environment in here. I like it.
Yeah, that's really neat. Outside the restaurant, they have a gift shop with all sorts of candies and treats, including a counter with macarons, different chocolates.
Look at the jumbo macarons.
Cookies, some more fresh treats over here. Lots of good stuff. Like chocolate covered bacon.
Get you anything?
Lots of really nice different desserts you can grab. Just come here to the counter. Fudges and toffees too. All the different truffles they have. gingerbread macaron, acorn, and an ugly sweater one. Ooh, these are called bombs, salted caramel cocoa bomb, cookies and cream cocoa bomb, and a peppermint. Oh yeah.
Hey friends, just wanted to share a quick recap after our lunch at the Chocolate Emporium. What do you think, Dave?
That was really good. Yeah, I was impressed. We've heard it was one of the best places to eat.
Yep.
And it didn't disappoint. I mean, at first you thought Chocolate Emporium, okay, dessert place, but they have a really extensive menu. Both our dishes we really, really enjoyed. They had good, kind of the good basic kids options. Emma really liked her cheeseburger, so overall we were really, really happy.
I would say good quality food, and not just the focus on the sweets, although the sweets definitely are. There's a large dessert menu, and lots of treats outside in the shop as well. But the food was excellent, excellently prepared, great flavors. Really, really enjoyed the drinks, the appetizer, that delicious chocolate almond bread. Couldn't recommend that highly enough.
Yeah, that's really good.
And we really enjoyed our entrees as well. No complaints whatsoever. Great service, very attentive. I mean, it's busy in there. It's a very popular spot. This was for a late lunch reservation on a weekday, so it's a good spot.
This is one I recommend getting a reservation, especially the busier times.
Yeah, definitely.
You can't get in without it, or you'd be waiting until you put on a wait list and not be able to get in for a long time. So this is one you need a reservation for.
Yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this dining review. If you did, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. That really helps us out. And join us for some more Universal content. We've got some more Universal content coming from our stay here at Universal Studios and from our trip here with our family. So a lot more dining reviews and Universal content headed your way. Hope you enjoy. Bye. Everyone.